Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card into the device. So to get started, you will need to get that SIM eject tool. Comes with the device, unlock a charger, and the tray for it is located, looks like on the almost middle, the left side, a little bit below middle. As you can see right over here where it pops out. From there, take out the tray. Place your SIM card on it, like so, and then while holding it securely, put it back into the device. And there is the SIM or pin for the SIM card, so let's confirm that. And there we go. And that is how you would insert SIM card into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.